Good morning, students. In previous video, we have started the revision of our second poem, The Elementary School Classroom in a Slum by Stefan Spender. Stefan Spender is presenting here the condition of the small children living in slum area. They are not able to get proper education because they are malnourished, they are weak, they are pale, they are hungry, and they are deprived from all basic education. He visits a school in a slum area where the students are sitting inside the class but they are not concentrating their studies because of their physical problems. So we already revised the first 4 lines of the poem, and here I am going to explain you the next line of the poem. The stunted, unlucky ear of twisted bones. Unlucky. First of all, the stunted, it means that is a kind of disease related to bones. Twisted bones, the bone that is twisted, that is the disease that is related to the bones. The ear of, it means they are the varis. They are the owner of the twisted bones, reciting of father gnawed disease. What is the meaning of gnawed disease? A disease that is related to bones. And the reciting, it means the transfer from one to other generation. The disease that is transformed from generation to next generation. It means the father who is suffering from the disease, his child must be here. The stunted, unlucky ear of twisted bone. They are unlucky ear. Why they are called unlucky? Because the children get property, money, respect, land, and so many prosperous things from their parents. That's why they call the lucky ear. But here these children are called unlucky ear because they get nothing, just the disease from their parents. That is called the gnaw disease, the disease related to bone, and many more also. That is why they are called unlucky ear. His lesson from his desk. So one of the child who is sitting there and suffering from this disease, he is reciting his lesson at back of dim class. Dim, it means there is no proper light arrangement inside the classroom. Dim class, one unnoted, sweet and young. Here a student who is very young sitting inside the class unnoted. It means he is unnoticed. No one noticed him. It's called unnoticed. A student who is a young student sitting inside the class, unnoticed students. His eyes live in a dream. It means his attention, his devotion is not towards the class, but he is lost in his own dream. The dream of squirrel game in tree room other than this. What is the meaning of other than this? Other than, it means the class. It means his attention is not inside the class, but his attention is to the squirrel game. The squirrel who is playing there outside from the window, and sometimes the squirrel is entering and sometimes coming out from the hole she has made in the stem of the tree. The boy is lost in the dream of this. It means he was not concentrating inside the class and a lesson from his desk. Again, students, I am repeating here. The stunted, unlucky ear of twisted bones, reciting a father gnawed disease. One of the students. In previous video, we have learnt about the 2 students, the tall girl who was sitting to weigh down her head because she is exhausted, she is hungry, she is not fit, she is not healthy. Second student, we have read about, he was looking like paper seeming boy, and hungry eyes, the red eyes, it means hungry eyes, the greed inside his eyes. And third one, because the stunted, unlucky ear, it means the student who has twisted bone, who is not fit, it is suffering from the undernourished and the lack of nourishment. They are suffering from the disease like this. And his lesson, the student who is suffering from the disease, is reciting from the lesson a desk. At the back of the dim class, the light arrangement inside the class is not proper, and a young child sitting there is unnoticed. No one is noticing him. His eyes live in a dream. He is lost in dream of squirrel game in tree room. Other than this, he is watching the squirrel that playing the stem in the tree, and tree room, it means the room made by the squirrel in the stem of the tree. Other than this, other than it means to say the class. He was not involving in the lesson that is teaching by the teacher in the class, but he is lost in his own dream. All these children have a similarity that they are malnourished, they never get proper nourishment, they are suffering from various disease, they are hungry, they are greedy, and above all they are deprived from the basic resources, basic facilities of the society. They are just sitting inside the class, but actually they can't very attentive for that. Students, the further line on sour cream wall. Sour cream. What is the meaning of the sour cream wall? Sour cream wall. It means the wall of the classroom is painted with the color sour cream. It's not looking very bright color, but a dull color inside the classroom. Donations. Donations. There are so many articles inside the class and pictures that is donated from so-called VIPs. Shakespeare's head. Shakespeare's head. The portrait of the Shakespeare. Cloudless at dawn, civilized dome, riding all cities. There is a picture that cloudless at dawn. Dawn. What is the meaning of the dawn? D-A-W-N. It means early morning. It means there is a picture inside the class that is cloudless at dawn. A beautiful sunrises, beautiful morning is visualized in the picture that is hanging inside the class. Civilized dome riding all city. There is a picture that represents the civilized life of the city. Ballad, flowery, Trolleys Valley. There is a beautiful picture of the Trolleys Valley in Australia that is very beautiful, surrounded with mountains, rivers, etc. But these children are not able to get the fresh and the pollution free and a good atmosphere. These are just pictures for them, nothing else. Open-handed map, avoiding the World AIDS World. Open, there's a map inside the class also. Their World AIDS World. It means to say there's two words compared here. The World AIDS World. World AIDS World. The first world that we are reading about, the world that is the area of slum, where the children are sitting inside the class. They are living a life full of poverty, full of starvation, and the other world here, that is the world of civilized people, prosperous people, full of richness, full of resources. And yet for these children, these windows, not this map. Actually, for these children, actually, this world map is nothing, because they are not able to go through with them. The window of their classroom is just a map, a world map for them, just a world for them. Their world where all their futures painted with fog. It means their future is uncertain, as because of fog, the sunrise is hidden. The rays of the sun can't be visible because of fog. Same here, the fog is compared to their poverty, their helplessness, their miserable conditions. A narrow street sealed in with a lit sky. They are living in very, very narrow lanes, very small streets, and the lit sky that is not clear, that is polluted, far from rivers. These students are far from the rivers, caves and star of birds. Star of bird, it means education, and they are deprived from all the natural beauty, deprived from the prosperous life, and deprived from the basic education also. So students, you have to revise the poem till this line, word to word and line to line. Tomorrow, tomorrow we will continue our poem and from the next line. So till then you have to revise it. Thank you.